Welcome back, guys, to the channel. Here we're doing an unbagging, not an unboxing. Monsterbass has switched over to bags right here. Pretty excited about it. I love the feature of the bag. Zips open and close. Put your items in it, food, cell phone, whatever the case may be. Without further ado, let's get into this Monsterbass 2021 for the month of February. The first lure we have is from Lucky Strike RC series. It is the crankbait. Pretty sweet. We're gonna take it out of there just so you guys at home or wherever you may be can see this. Look at this. This is nice. Definitely nice. I want to hold it nice so you guys can get a good view of it wherever you are. Right there. Pretty cool. I love the white shad look type of deal, and I love the top too. Real snazzy with the glitter of the green and blue. Definitely something I think the fish will hit. Very excited, and let's see the sound. Nice knocking sound. Pretty excited about this lure. One more shot, and I love the eye too. It's like a reddish orange too, and we all know red, they strike at it. Pre-spawn's coming. Let's get it. All right, let's see what the next one is in here. Sweet. Baker Lures JLD series jerkbait. Pretty sweet. I really like this one a lot. Let's take it out of there so we can hear the sound, because I love hearing the different sounds of them and the feel. The feel, nice. Does not feel cheap at all. Here we go. Let's get a nice little view of that one right there. I'm loving it. Let's hear the sound. A little more high-pitched, more subtle of a high pitch, if you will, if that makes any sense. But pretty cool. And what's the coolest thing about this? Pre-spawn's coming, and it's winter currently right now. I love it because it's a suspending jerkbait. So it stays roughly 3 feet from the top of the water. And we all know they're at the bottom. They're lethargic now. And pre-spawn, they're guarding their young, things of the sort. So they're going to be down lower in the deeper waters right now. So with a suspending jerkbait, just money. Money in my personal opinion. Let's see, what else is next? We got some soft plastics. Definitely liking this. Real Deal Shad by Big Baits. And if you've seen my videos, you know I like big bite baits. That's right. Almost said big baits. So here's this one. Let's actually take it out and take a look at it. Very, very interested in this one. Get that open. Awesome. Nice. Very nice. A decent smell to it. A decent one. Let's see. The action on here. This is going to be sick. I do like that. I like that a lot. It almost has like craw legs right there. Like a crawfish type of deal. Regardless. Really cool. And yeah, the smell is mild. It's nothing crazy that'll throw you back in your seat. But interested nonetheless on throwing that one. Here we have Lunker Hunt Jolt 8F Impact Series. Now I do recollect getting this one in the January box, I believe, of unboxing. And I wouldn't be thrilled about it if it was a different lure, perhaps. But this crankbait, I think it's going to do the job. Definitely money. And we lose lures sometimes, so having a backup of this bad boy, it's a good thing. Alright, let's look. Color changing baits by Smart Baits. This is cool. This is really cool. So it changes colors in the water. This is activated by water temperature. Smart Baits soft baits undergo multiple color changes and imitate live bleeding prey fish that will trigger fish to strike. That's really cool. Has a little weight to it too, which is nice. That's pretty cool. And you got the paddle tail at the end. Definitely with it changing colors pertaining to the temperature, that's money too. So really cool by Smart Baits. Haven't heard of this brand, but I'm definitely going to be looking into them. Next we have a comeback jig by Strike King, the J Lee, and you can see football head style jig. It's brown and it has some purple in that too. So that's pretty cool, and it's 3/4 ounce. Sweet deal. Next we have the Monsterbass variety pack of spear point wide gap hooks. Sweet. Loving it, loving it. And I've looked into these hooks too. It's supposed to keep the fish on a lot better than the other hooks. So I'll be the judge of that and see how that goes and let you know future reference with fishing videos coming on the way as soon as everything melts, if you will. Here we have Thunder Hawk. I like it. And it says it's the camel craw. Cool. I haven't heard of Thunder Hawk before, and that's what I really like about Monster Bass. They're throwing in names that I haven't heard of that I'll look up, want to look up, you know, if they, you know, do the trick on the water or entice me just doing the unboxing or unbagging videos. Not really a scent on this one. I do like the color. I really like that color. Hope you guys can see that good right there. I really like the color. It looks sick. It's black and it has red and silver flakes. So here it is right there. Got some cool action. Very excited to throw this one. And it looks like that's it. But the Monster Bass sticker. This is the coolest one I've received so far. So that's sick. It's going on something. Don't know what, but it is going on something. And then it just comes with this little pamphlet. It's in the bag, and then it just kind of gives you the price of everything if you bought it in the store or ordered it versus everything coming in the bag or box and saving money. So very interested in that. Again, this is the Monsterbass Regional Pro Series for February 2021. I thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and please like this video. Definitely, if you want, comment down below. It helps the progression of this video. And again, always remember, family and fishing first. Thanks again, guys, and take care.